Back to React Text native code. Today in this video we are exploring PhoneCar application. I create this application for those people who can't see properly. Okay, so let's get start. So first I close this application. Now you can see we have a icon here, PhoneCar. Okay, let's click on this. Okay, we need to close this application properly first. Now see, this is the splash screen which I created. Now let's navigate to the home screen. In home screen we are showing add button here. So user can add their first contact number into the home screen. So let's click on this. Now it will navigate to the add add new contact screen here. So he can select the number from the from list. Now he need to give the permission to fetch the data from the contact list. Okay, now we are giving the permission. Now we have our phone contact directory, all the data we have right now here. Okay, now we are adding one contact like this, Vijay, and you can see the image also we have here. Now when we click on this, the image, now we can update the image from the camera and from the gallery also. So let's test first the camera. Now again we need to give the permission. Okay, I give the permission. Now we are taking photo of the Buddha God, and now you can see the image is updated successfully. Now we can also get the image from the gallery. Okay, now we need to save this contact. Now the contact is saved successfully into the home screen. Now user, what can he do? He can send the message through the WhatsApp. Okay, I currently facing some issue, I need to fix this. And he can dial the call directly by clicking on the call icon button, and he can also update these information by click on the edit icon. Okay, suppose I'm changing it to Rahul, or we can change it to anything else you want. Okay, now it's show Rahul name, it's showing there. And we can also delete this contact by click on the dustbin icon. Now it will ask, are you sure want to delete this contact? If we say yes, that this contact is deleted from the home screen. Now again we need to add the contacts. Okay, suppose I'm adding one contact here, Rishi. Okay, now we are saving this, and again we are adding another contact, Vijay. Now we have the two contacts here. Okay, we can add more contacts, like this is my Pupa number, and now you can see we are not adding any photo here. And if I click on the save button, it will say show the default image here. Okay,
Hello.
and
My
now wait a second. And now this is the screen of the home. Now suppose user click on this particular contact, he want to connect with this person Rishi, so he need to click on the Rishi Babu.
हेलो मेरा नाम ऋषि बाबू है क्या आप मुझसे बात करना चाहते हैं
Okay guys, now you hear the properly, he's saying my name is Rishi Babu and do you want to connect with me? Okay, and if user want to connect with him, he can click on the yes button, and he can also click the no button. Suppose I click on the yes button, it asking the permission. You need to provide the permission to direct call. Okay, only the first time he need to provide. Now we give the permission, and now it asking which SIM you want to connect. So I'm using my own SIM, Geo. Now the call is connecting to Rishi Babu. Okay, let's disconnect this call. And now, okay, so I show the functionality, how we can update, how we can add, how we can delete the message, and how we connect the code. Now as you can see, we also have the mic icon here. So let's see the functionality of this. Now it's asking a permission. You need to provide microphone permission to use this microphone feature. Okay, we need to provide the
आपको
permission.
किससे बात करनी है?
Rishi say, Rishi say,
हेलो, मेरा नाम ऋषि बाबू है। क्या आप मुझसे बात करना चाहते हैं?
okay guys, you see this functionality. When we click on this,
आपको किससे
when we click on this mic icon, a new model is open and it's asking which person do you want to call. Okay, and we need to say the name like Rishi, Fupa and Vijay. Then it's finding that name and connecting the call directly to that person. And we can also their mobile number. Suppose this is the contact. I just remove this the contact number here. That's my number. Okay, and now here I'm changing the name Rahul. Okay, and now save it. It's asking at least the, okay, so I need to add the complete number here. Now see,
आपको किससे बात करनी है?
7750 355.
यह नाम और नंबर सेव नहीं है, कृपया दोबारा बोलिए।
750.
हेलो,
Okay,
मेरा नाम राहुल
guys,
है।
you see,
क्या
we
आप
just
मुझसे बात कर
we just need to say the numbers. If you don't know the that person name, you can say the starting number, then it will find the result and it will show the info, show that selected card into the UI. Okay, I hope you like this application. So let's get start with the coding part. So let's go to the coding part here. So guys, this video is going to Hindi and English both the language. I'm going to tell you. So first you need to go to the package.json file. So we need to install some particular package which we are using. So first you need to install this mmkv library. Then you need to install this library immediate phone call, and then you need to install image picker library, then React Native contact library. These libraries very important to save the data. Okay, and another library is speech recognition. This library is there. So you need to install this library to convert speech to text. Okay, so let's go to the src folder. So before going to the src folder, we need to go to the app.tsx file. Okay guys, side by side we also showing the this UI part. We need to wrap up this video very fast because otherwise it will take too much time. Okay, so हमारे पास एक होम स्क्रीन है और हमारे पास ऐड डॉट कंटेक्ट स्क्रीन है। ओके, सो सबसे पहले जब होम स्क्रीन ओपन होती है तो हमें यहाँ पे कॉन्टेक्ट्स का डेटा शो करना पड़ता है। तो कॉन्टेक्ट का डेटा कहाँ से इस स्क्रीन पे आ रहा है, वी नीड टू फिगर आउट दिस। सो सबसे पहले हम जाएंगे कॉन्टेक्ट स्क्रीन के अंदर कहाँ से डेटा हमने फैच किया है। सो वी नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दिस कॉन्टेक्ट, ओके, एंड सी इट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम द डेटाबेस ऑफ फैच कॉन्टेक्ट। ओके, नाउ हमने इसके अंदर क्या किया है, हमने एक फैच कॉन्टेक्ट का फंक्शन क्रिएट किया है जो mmkv स्टोरेज से डेटा को लेकर आता है, एंड देन वी आर रिटर्निंग दिस डेटा। सेम हमने जब यूज़र डेटा को सेव करता है तो अगर यूज़र सेम कॉन्टेक्ट को सेव कर रहा है तो हम उसे अपडेट नहीं करते। अगर न्यू कॉन्टेक्ट है देन वी आर सेविंग दिस न्यू कॉन्टेक्ट इनटू द mmkv स्टोरेज। ओके, और अगर mmkv लाइब्रेरी में कुछ इशू आता है तो हम उस डेटा को आसिंग स्टोरेज वाली लाइब्रेरी में सेव कर देते हैं। अब सेम थिंग जब हम अपडेट करते हैं उसी एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा को सबसे पहले हम एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा को फाइंड आउट करते हैं, देन उसकी हम कॉन्टैक्ट आईडी पास करके फाइंड आउट करते हैं, देन वी आर अपडेटिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर डेटा इनटू द स्टोर. Okay, and then we have a delete button also. Same thing we are doing, we need to find out the filter. We are using filter functionality to filter out those data which is not equal to the current id. Then we are again saving this data into the mmkv storage. So this is the functionality of the db.tsx file. Okay, so both the features you see, and first time when our application is launching, so we are showing the splash screen there. Okay, so where it is, so you can see this is the splash screen code. You can also create the splash screen screen directly from the Android Studio. Okay, but we need to show the some animations part, so that's why we create a splash screen in React Native inside. Okay, you can also customize your splash screen. Okay, and then go to the app.tsx again. So guys, so as you know, first time we don't have any data into the home screen, then we are navigating to the app.contact app contact screen. Okay, let's go inside. Let's go to the bottom, and also I'm clicking on the plus button. Okay, now go to the scroll to the bottom. Okay guys, where we have the code. Now you can see we are using the keyboard avoidable view, because when we click on this, the it will overlap. Sometime it overlap with the keyboard, so we need to use the keyboard avoidable view here. And now inside the scroll view we have our form. Okay, so this is the code for the add button. So जब user add button पे click करता है, then we are calling this function. Okay, it basically it's changing the state of that particular model, add profile photo. And now we need to go to the bottom. Now you can see we have the model here. And now when user click on this take photo, take launch gallery, so we are calling. First we need to ask the permission, camera permission we have or not, and photo permission we have or not. If we have the camera and photo permission, then then we are opening the camera, and then we are opening the gallery, and it will select the data, and then we are showing into the app. Okay, so I hope you are getting this. So this is the whole code here we have. So let's go to the launch camera functionality inside. So you can see it will provide the camera data by using the React Native image picker. Okay, so this is the basic functionality which we have in all different type of application. You don't need to worry about this. Then when user click on the from list button, let's go to the bottom again, close this modal, and now we have the from list button here. So when user click on handle open from, then again we are need to ask the permission to fetch the data from the contact list, and then we need to call this library contact service get device contacts. Okay, then it will provide the contacts, image, name, mobile number, etc. Then we are saving this data into the state. Inside that particular state we are saving this data. Okay, so when user click on the save button, what we are doing, we are calling our inbuilt function which we created. Okay, and where it is, I think this is the code. Yeah, it is there. So we need to click handle save button. Then some validation we are asking, you need to enter your name, mobile number, and mobile number validations. If we don't have the avatar image, then we are showing the static image here, and then we are calling the on save button. Okay, and this home save button, it will go to the home screen, and now it's calling the that function update contact and save contact functions. Okay, so we are done with this screen. Let's go back to the previous screen. Now we need to go to the home screen code. Okay, inside the home screen code, let's go the bottom. Okay, so inside the bottom, as you can see, we are showing the plus icon button for adding the new contact, and then we have this card to show we are using the playlist, and inside we have the contact card component where we are showing the image, name, and these all functionalities. So when user click on the handle card image, press button, we have direct call and WhatsApp, edit, delete. So you just need to check the one code here. The when we click on this, it directly making a call to that person. So let's go there, direct call functionality. Again, we need to ask the permission to make the call. We create a separate file for asking different types of permission. You need to go inside, and now you can see what type of permission we added inside. This is the call phone permission here. This is the microphone permission here. Okay, and then let's go to the home screen again. After we get the permission from the user, then we are calling the uh, this function which is coming from the library which we added. Let's go there. It's coming from immediate phone call. It's showing the waveline because uh, it's a type script error. We need to fix it by running this command. Okay, and then go again, and then we need to pass the user phone number inside this, and then it will directly calling to the another person, same as the true caller. Okay, and then this functionality is also done. Then the main important part, when we click on this, it will
Hello.
say hello, my name is Fupa, do you want to connect with me? Okay, so where it is coming, it's coming from this. So basically when we call this, we are setting the state, we are changing the update of this contact. So okay, let's figure out where it is. I think it's on below. Confirmation model is there. Okay, so in this confirmation model, uh, go inside and see the code properly. This is the avatar image which we have inside the center, and we have the pause and play button here. So when user click on this button, we are uh, calling this start speech function, and then we are calling this library for text to speech. Okay, and then go again below. So here, हेलो मेरा नाम राहुल है, क्या आप मुझसे बात करना चाहते हैं? ओके, then it will play this sound. Okay, and then user want to call or not, so he need to take this decision onto this. If he close this, then we are closing this particular confirmation model. Okay, and now we need to see the home screen mic icon code. Let's go to the home screen again, and now you can see we have the voice model here. Let's click on this, go to there. Okay, so scroll to the bottom. Okay, actually this code is very difficult to understand to you.
आपको किस
Okay, now again we have the same concept here. We have the circular button inside this. We are changing the image by checking the state, it's hearing or speaking. Okay, so we just need to figure it out how speaking code is working here. So let's click on this handle center press button. Now you can see we create a custom component here to start the listening. Okay, so basically we create a custom component for start listening, because I try with the different library and I face lots of issue. So that's why I decided to create a my own native component to fix this issue. So where it is, we need to figure out. So it is there, custom voice recognition. Okay, so when user click on again, then it will stop listening, and when user click on the first time, then it will start the listening. And now the question is, हम कैसे data को fetch कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर? So basically we are fetching the data by using the device emitter. So in this device emitter, we have a function. We have a two listeners here on search result and on speech error. So it will provide the response to us. We need to go inside and then you can see, okay, it will provide the response. Then we are finding this response is basically it will provide the text to us. Then we create a function find best contact match. Then it will go inside. ओके अब ये इसके अंदर जाएगा इस फंक्शन के अंदर और ये स्टार्टिंग के 3 कैरेक्टर को फाइंड आउट करेगा हमारे कॉन्टेक्ट सेव डेटा के अंदर सेम मोबाइल नंबर के साथ भी और नेम के साथ भी। अगर इसे वो चीज़ें प्रोवाइड मिलती हैं डेटाबेस के अंदर, देन it will provide a call directly to the confirmation model. Okay, so basically when if we provide the match, okay, if we provide the match, then we are calling a function to show the confirmation model. Okay, this is the function on recognition. So let's go there, go to the home screen, and now you can see we have the voice recognition, handle voice recognition, and again we are showing the confirmation model into this to connect the call. So guys, I think if you want to develop the same application like this, I also create a prompt to you can use this prompt to create a same application like this. Okay, but I create this application by myself, then I add some in anti-gravity to give me the prompt we need to develop the same application. So I get this prompt from the anti-gravity. So guys, if you want to create the this types of application, you can use this prompt. It will create the same application, but it will also give the lots of issue. You need to figure out how you can fix it. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.